Hello, I'm Mihela. Today I'll be talking about a small bird that is difficult to spot because of its plumage. The brown-capped babbler. Small brown babbler with intense cinnamon underparts and a clear-cut blackish-brown cap. It is endemic to Sri Lanka. Bold cap and underpart coloration make this distinctive in limited range on Sri Lanka. A terrestrial species occurring on or near the ground in forests, forest edge and nearby shrub and thickets in wooded areas, where typically encountered as pairs. Their calls are like It is featured in the 4 rupee postal stamp in Sri Lanka. Locally named Sri Lanka Boraga Demalichcha. I have not seen the brown-capped babbler. One such place you could see them is upcountry Sri Lanka. These are some of the pictures of our recent trip to Castlereigh Reservoir in Hatton. This area is one of the most scenic and beautiful places that you'll ever find in Sri Lanka.